Have you ever looked at your investment portfolio and thought, man, I wish I could diversify a bit more, maybe into something tangible, like gold? And then you thought, wait, can I even buy gold on Wealthsimple? Good question. That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We're going to explore the world of gold investing, understand why it's often considered a safe haven asset, and most importantly, figure out if Wealthsimple is the right platform for you to buy it. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why gold has been a go-to for investors for centuries. It's more than just shiny. Gold has historically been a hedge against inflation. When the value of money goes down, the price of gold often goes up. It's also seen as a safe haven asset during economic downturns. Think of it as a financial lifeboat. So, given its reputation as a reliable investment, it's no wonder many people are interested in adding it to their portfolios. But where do you start? How do you actually buy gold? You could go the traditional route and buy physical gold bars or coins. But that comes with its own set of challenges: storage, security, and potential purity issues. Enter digital gold. This is where platforms like Wealthsimple come into play. With digital gold, you're essentially buying shares in a gold ETF, exchange-traded fund. An ETF is a fund that tracks the price of an underlying asset, in this case, gold. So, when the price of gold goes up, so does the value of your ETF shares. But does Wealthsimple offer this option? Let's find out. Insert a brief overview of Wealthsimple, highlighting its features and reputation. Now, while Wealthsimple offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies, unfortunately, as of insert current date, they do not offer direct gold investments. You cannot buy physical gold or gold ETFs through the Wealthsimple platform. But don't despair, gold lover. There are other options out there. Many other investment platforms do offer gold ETFs. You can also consider buying physical gold through reputable dealers, but remember, as mentioned earlier, this comes with its own set of responsibilities. So, while Wealthsimple might not be your golden ticket to gold investing, it's still a solid platform for building a diversified portfolio. Consider using it for stocks, ETFs, or other investments, and then explore other avenues for your gold exposure. Remember, investing in gold is a long-term strategy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Do your research, understand the risks, and consider consulting with a financial advisor to make informed decisions. And there you have it. We've explored the allure of gold, the potential benefits of digital gold, and whether or not Wealthsimple is the place to buy it. While it might not be the golden answer you were hoping for, hopefully, this video has shed some light on the subject and helped you make more informed investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.